Twitter no longer exists. Elon Musk have rebranded the app and website X in a surprising move. He has bid farewell to the beloved bluebird and embraced a sleek new symbol, the X. Brace yourselves as we uncover the thrilling details of this yard-dropping transformation driven by Musk's grand mission from everything at this audacious plan to create an all-encompassing digital ecosystem stems from Elon Musk's relentless pursuit to always be in the innovation and disruption industry, taking over Twitter. In October 2022, the tech billionaire wasted no time in implementing his vision. Over the weekend, mass crowdsource it ideas from user, fueling excitement and anticipation about the platform's imminent evolution, with the beginning of a new week. Monday morning, done with an electrifying announcement. Elon Musk in a tweet shared that Twitter would be reborn, SX, signifying a monumental shift in the plaster of identity as the extra logo to extend the stage. The world was captivated by its animated allure, pondering the deeper significance behind the starring move. Now the transformation wasn't just limited to the digital realm. Musk reporting sent an email to Twitter employees informing them of the platform's rebranding as X. The team behind the scenes is undoubtedly working tirelessly to bring this ambitious mission to life as Musk sets the new era of interconnectedness. The domain changes symbolizes the unification of various digital domains under one banner of X. Music. A rapidly evolving social media landscape with rival threats emerging as formidable contender and Meta's umbrella with Musk's everything apparition. The competition is sure to intensify, promising an epic battle of innovation and user-centric experiences as we marvel at the audacity of Elon Musk situation. The world awaits the unveiling of the grand plan for X. Will it be a one-stop hub for all our digital needs, a seamless fusion of social media, commerce, and more? The possibilities are limitless, and the excitement is palpable now, with the iconic bluebird gracefully making way for the captivating X. The digital landscape will never be the same. Musk's relentless pursuit of innovation and its determination to break farmers have left an indelible mark on the world once again. As we embark on this thrilling journey with X, we can't help but wonder about the countless opportunities it will unlock. The future is teemed with potential, and Elon Musk's wishing for an everything app promises to reshape the way we reconnect, engage, and experience the digital world. Buckle up, for that ride has just begun. X marks the spot and the world watches in Eve as Elon Musk wishing for Twitter's everything app takes flight. Watch more and keep updated by following